Good afternoon, it's Dennis and Javier. Today we're looking at D21824. This is a 2014 Hyster 6,000 pound FT series pneumatic tower forklift. Runs a 187-inch three-stage mast and side shift, load backrest, brand new traction tires, solid pneumatic tires by the way. It has a LP gas engine. This forklift has great hours. Javier, go ahead and drive that around for us. Forklifts are available on Denver store. You can see it online at abetterforklift.com. We have stores in Denver, stores in Denver, Fort Collins, and Torrington, Wyoming. Showing us the tilt function here and side shift. This is a beautiful forklift, 2014 Hyster 6K. If you use this lift or another like it, come to abetterforklift.com, check us out on the web, or come to one of our stores. Thanks for looking at our video. We appreciate it.